What's good, YouTube? How are you doing today? Hope you're doing great. So today I want to show you guys how I achieve my very minimal look, a look I do whenever I want to go out, go to school, a simple look. So let's get right into this look. So what I like to do is I like to set my face because it gives me a more dewy look. So I'm gonna set my face right now, and I will let it absorb into my face. So after the setting spray has absorbed into my face, I'm going to go in with my setting powder first, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush, this one. I'm going to tap it like that, and I'm going to dust it off, and I'm going to use it to set places on my face that are a little bit dark, which are my under eyes, the sides of my chin, and my eyelid. So I'm going to set that right now. So after doing that, I'm going to use my concealer palette, and I'm going to pick a shade which is closest to my skin tone. So I'm going to go in with this shade, and I'm going to use my hand to apply that in. So I took a little bit, and I'm going to tap it under my eyes like that. And I'm going to blend it in with my hands. The reason why I'm using my hands is because it gives a more seamless look than using a brush. I'm just going to tap that in and continue blending. I'm going to go around the corners of my lip because I have like dark areas there, so I'm just going to tap that in. This is how we are looking, yeah. So after that, I'm going to apply blush on my cheekbones. I'm just going to tap a little bit like that, and I'm going to use to blend it in. So I'll do the same thing to this side. So after doing that, I'm going to use my brush, and I'm going to dip this in soap, and I'm going to go all over my brows with it. So I'm going to brush my brows out real quick. I'm going to go on my eyelid with this brown eye pencil, and I'm going to highlight my lids. Gives it this sort of lifted look, and using brown, it makes it look natural. So after that, I'm going to grab my mascara, and I'm going to go over my lash. So after doing this, I'm going to go back in with my setting powder, and I'm going to set the places that we highlighted earlier on. I'm going to take it and just use it to set all over my face. So after applying this all over my face, I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss, and I'm gonna apply that on my lips. So after everything is set, I'm gonna go in with my setting spray. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, let me know in the comment section and I'll be sure to make a video for you guys coming up soon. Thank you guys for being here and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.